Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to Friday Night Cocktails. I appreciate you. It's Friday. Let's make a Lagerita. Margarita with beer. Boing. Here's what you're gonna need. Shaker, ice, good tequila, Cointreau, orange liqueur, your jigger, of course, some beer, freshly squeezed lime juice. Let us go. Get your shaker ready. We're gonna do 2 ounces of tequila. Right in the shaker. There we go. And then we are gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. Get some good ingredients to go with this. Alright, then we're gonna do 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. That should do it. Save this for another one. Ice in there. And then ice in a highball glass. There you go. There we go. Cover that up. Give it a good 15-second shake. Walk those weekly frustrations out. It's fine. That should do it. I cover my equipment because it leaks. Now we're going to strain this mixture into a highball glass. Sometimes it leaks. That's fine. Beautiful. Set that to the side. Then we're going to top this up with beer. Bingo. And for our garnish, lime wheel, got a slit down it, and boom. There we have our Lagerita. Refreshing summer drink. Let's try it. Woo! Oh, that's good. Nice, summery, bubbly. Thank you for spending time with me. Enjoy your weekend. Join me next Friday for another fantastic Friday night.